Having the code number 54 and welcome for the new syllabus. The name of the first chapter is that rotational dynamics. Now we have to solve one example which is based on the kinematical equations of circular motion. The example number 1, which is on the page number 2 of the book. The numerical is that is example is that the fan is rotating at 90 rpm. Then it is switched off. It stops after 21 revolutions. Then find out time taken by fan to stop. The fan is rotating at 90 rpm. Then it is switched off. It stops after 21 revolutions. Then we have to find out time taken by fan to stop. N0. Fan rotating at 90 rpm. It means that frequency of the fan N0 is equal to 90 rpm. Frequency N0 is equal to 90 rpm. rpm means revolution per minute. म्हणजे एका मिनिटामध्ये 90 revolutions होत आहेत. N0 is equal to, we have to convert rpm into rps. So that 90 by 60 rps. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so that 90 by 60 rps. 0 gets cancelled. Then N0 9 by 6, that is 1.5 rps. Let initial angular velocity omega 0 is equal to 2 pi n0. The basic formula is that omega is equal to 2 pi n. We can write for initial angular velocity omega 0 is equal to 2 pi n0. Now omega 0 is equal to 2 pi n0, 1.5. Omega 0 is equal to 2 into 1.5, that is 3 pi radian per second. Let final angular velocity omega is equal to 0 as the fan stops after 21 revolution. Theta is equal to, theta is the angular displacement. For one revolution, angular displacement theta is equal to 2 pi. As there are 21 revolutions, we can write theta is equal to 2 pi n. Theta is equal to 2 pi into 21. Theta is equal to 42 pi. Theta is equal to 42 pi. We have to find out time taken by the fan to stop. We know that angular acceleration means rate of change of angular velocity. We can write alpha is equal to omega minus omega 0 upon t. Omega minus omega 0 upon t. It means that final angular velocity minus initial angular velocity upon t. By using kinematical equations of circular motion, we can write omega square minus omega 0 square upon 2 theta. Let omega minus omega 0 upon t is equal to omega square minus omega 0 square upon 2 theta. By putting the values, we can calculate timing t. We have to solve this. Value of omega is 0, so that 0 minus omega 0 having the value 3 pi upon t is equal to omega square, that is 0. Omega 0 square, that is 3 pi square upon 2 theta. 2 into theta having the value 42 pi. This minus gets cancelled. Here 3 pi, here 3 pi square, 1 3 pi cancel. So that 1 by t is equal to, here 3 pi remains, here upon 2 into 42 pi, pi gets cancelled. You got 1 by 28. 1 upon t is equal to 1 upon 28. That is t is equal to 28 seconds. So that time taken by fan to stop is 28 seconds. म्हणजेच त्या फॅनला स्टॉप होण्यासाठी 28 सेकंद लागले.